Welcome back to Hot Car Track, and today we have more NASCARs, a nice looking truck and some vans going into Vantastic. This is from Puerto Rico Racing, and also Tito Racing has some vans in here as well. First of all, I reckon let's get in and have a look at this truck. A big thank you guys for this haul and also this truck in particular. This is a beautiful looking truck. This is a Jimmie Johnson NASCAR Authentics, and it's a very nice diorama for around the track. This actually has quite a bit of weight in it for a plastic truck. It's very weighty. I'm assuming that's metal, but it feels like plastic. But I like the decals that you have on this. Very nice indeed. And let's look at the trailer. Bit hard to get this all on camera. Put the decals in there. That looks nice. Nelson, Tito. Really nice. Oh, look at that. Fantastic. You guys are rocking. Unbelievable. Thank you so much for this. You've really gone to a lot of effort to send this into Hot Car Track. And this will sit proudly around the track somewhere. Thank you so much. Next up we have two NASCARs going into NASCAR. This one here is weighing in at 60 grams. This is a Lionel Authentics Ford Mustang. Very nicely built. I love the decals on this. You guys do a fantastic job. You really do. Those wheels look superb. Very nice looking wheels. Good luck in NASCAR on that. And the next one, this is a number 9. This is also weighs 60 grams. This is another Lionel Authentics. This is the Camaro, Chevrolet Camaro. And I like the decals there, some fishing. Very nice, very nice. You guys, as I say, you do superb work. Next up we have 5 vans. These are going into Vantastic. I can't race these down the track as I have the start gate in bits and pieces at the moment. I need to really get that done and dusted before we do more Road Warriors. Straight up we have a Hot Wheels super van. This is the Vancanator, I think that's what it's called. And look at that. Have you seen anything like that before? A lot of work has gone into this, really. Absolutely fantastic. And of course, Vantastic is all customs. Man, we have a lot of vans here, I'll tell you. Can't wait to race it. The next one, this is a Hot Wheels Dodge van going into Vantastic. And very nicely done. Very nice indeed. And moving right along, this white one here is called, this is a Hot Wheels Ford Transit Super Van. And I love the look of that. Look at that. That's a ripper. I can see that really going well on the track, I think. And moving along to this one here. This one is for Tito Racing, and this is a China brand. It's a Ford Econoline, I think that's what it's called. A China brand Ford Econoline. Nice decals on the side. And good luck racing that one on the track. And the very last for this haul, this is a Hot Wheels 77 Dodge van. Nice decals. You guys, I don't know where you get your decals from or how you do them, but really nicely done. Yet again, a fantastic haul for Vantastic. Nice selection of cars and NASCARs and also the truck. Thanks again guys, I really appreciate your support on the channel. Good luck in Road Warriors, and good luck in both NASCAR and Vantastic. Until next time, catch you later.